Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google app or mobile browser and tapping your profile icon in the top right corner. This gets you to Settings quickly. Once in Settings, select Search Settings. That is where Language Controls live. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to change, because language preferences can sync. Now tap Languages under the Search Settings section so you can see available options and proceed to choose the language you prefer. You now tap Languages and then Add or Change Language to open the full list. This is where you choose exactly how search results are presented. When you find the language, tap it to set as primary. This tells Google to prioritize that language for results and interface elements. Once selected, confirm or save. Some devices show a Save button, others auto-apply. If you use multiple languages, order them so Google knows which to prefer first. You finish by restarting the Google app or refreshing your browser to make the change take effect. This forces the app to reload language packs. If the language didn't stick, make sure Account Sync is enabled in your device settings so preferences push to Google. And if results still appear in the old language, clear the app cache or site data. That removes stale settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in to force a fresh sync if nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.